This is a powerful, greatest hits of motivational cinema and oratory. You've woven together the gritty realism of Rocky Balboa, the intensity of Eric Thomas, the wisdom of Muhammad Ali, and the timeless philosophy of Charlie Chaplin. To give this the impact it deserves, I've restructured it into a rhythmic, cinematic monologue. I've tightened the transitions so the flow feels like a rising crescendo, starting in the dark hell of reality and ending in the light of human potential. The ultimate manifesto, 1 inch at a time. 1. The reality check. Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are. It will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is going to hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. 2. The margin of error. Pain is temporary. It may last a minute, a day, or even a year, but eventually, it will subside and something else will take its place. If I quit, however, it lasts forever. The margin for error is so small. 1/2 step too late, 1/2 second too slow, and you don't quite catch it. The inches we need are everywhere around us. They're in every break of the game, every minute, every second. You've got a dream? You've got to protect it. People who can't do something themselves will tell you you can't do it. If you want something, go get it. Period. 3. The sacrifice of cool. He who says he can and he who says he can't are both usually right. Most of you say you want to be successful, but you don't want it bad. You just kind of want it. You don't want it more than you want to party. You don't want it as much as you want to be cool. Most of you don't even want success as much as you want to sleep. But talent you have naturally. Skill is only developed by hours and hours and hours of beating on your craft. To reach that next level, you must be able, at any moment, to sacrifice what you are for what you will become. 4. The power within. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. So, dig deep. Ask yourself, who do you want to be? Not what, but who. Make a choice. Just decide what it's going to be, who you're going to be, and how you're going to do it. Why can't you be the MVP? Why can't you be the best in the league? I don't see why not. Fee, the final stand. We can stay here and get the spirit kicked out of us, or we can fight our way back into the light. We can climb out of hell, 1 inch at a time. Don't cry to quit. Cry to keep going. You're already in pain. You're already hurt. Get a reward from it. If you know what you're worth, then go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits without pointing fingers. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. The kingdom of God is within man, not one man, but all men. In you. You have the power to make this life a wonderful adventure. Now what are you going to do? Because limits, like fears, are often just an illusion. Go out and show them how great you are.
Whether we realize it or not, our faith, mindset, and potential for growth. Success is not just about luck, education, or opportunities. It is about the choices we make, the way we think, and the belief we hold in ourselves. I want to take you on a journey, one that teaches, inspires, and challenges you to see your own potential. Lesson 1. Faith in yourself. Everything begins with faith. Faith is not always religious. Sometimes it is simply trusting yourself, believing that you are capable of more than you think. Think about a time you tried something difficult. Did you succeed immediately? Probably not. But the moment you had faith in yourself, you took the first step. And that step is what started everything. Lesson: believe in yourself, even when the world doubts you. Lesson 2. A positive mindset. Your mind is like a garden. If you plant thoughts of fear, failure, and doubt, That's what will grow. If you plant hope, courage, and determination, amazing things can happen. A positive mindset is not about ignoring challenges. It is about facing them with confidence and learning from every experience. Lesson 3. Embrace challenges. Success does not come from comfort. It comes from struggle. Every challenge you face is a lesson in disguise. Think of challenges as teachers. They push you, shape you, and reveal your strength. Without them, growth is impossible. Lesson: do not fear challenges. Embrace them as part of your journey. Lesson 4. Discipline and consistency. Faith and mindset are powerful, but without action, they remain dreams. Discipline turns dreams into reality. It is the small daily choices, the extra hour of learning, the effort to improve, that create the big results over time. Lesson: stay consistent, even when progress feels slow. Every step counts. Lesson 5. Learn from failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of it. Every great success story has failures along the way. They are not signs that you are weak. They are proof that you are trying. Lesson: see failure as feedback, not defeat. Lesson 6. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you spend time with shape your mindset. Choose friends, mentors, and communities that lift you higher, inspire you, and challenge you to grow. Negative environments can drain faith and focus. Positive ones can multiply your energy and courage. Lesson: your environment influences your growth more than you realize. Lesson 7. Never stop learning. Personal growth is a lifelong journey. There is always something new to learn, about the world, about others, and about yourself. Curiosity fuels growth, humility allows learning, and faith gives the courage to apply what you learn. Lesson: keep growing, keep learning, keep evolving. Real-life examples. Think about J.K. Rowling, who faced rejection and hardship before creating Harry Potter. Her faith in her story and persistence turned her dreams into a global phenomenon. Or Thomas Edison, who failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. He once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." These are examples of people who combined faith, mindset, discipline, and learning from failure to achieve extraordinary success. Reflection points. Now, I want you to reflect for a moment. What is one area of your life where you need more faith in yourself? Pause. Which challenge have you been avoiding, and what can you learn from it? Pause. Who inspires you, and how can you align with people who lift you higher? Pause. What small daily action can you take to grow consistently? These reflections are not just thoughts, they are seeds for your personal growth. Powerful conclusion. Success is not an accident. It is a journey of faith, mindset, and constant growth. Pause. It is believing in yourself when no one else does. It is staying positive when life is hard. It is learning from failure and embracing every challenge. It is being disciplined, consistent, and committed to growth every single day. Remember, you are the author of your story. Pause. You have the power to change your mindset, take control of your actions, and create a life of purpose and success. Faith in yourself, a growth mindset, disciplined action. These are not just ideas. They are the tools for a life that is meaningful, fulfilling, and extraordinary. So, step forward. Take that first step today. Believe, grow, and keep moving. Because the journey of success begins with you, and it never ends as long as you continue to learn and grow. Thank you.